get the caramel. I definitely get the gourmand scent in it. It's pretty. Ooh, this might be a good thing. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the FRAG view, coming to you with another video review. And today, you all are going to help me, okay? You signed up for this. You're going to help me. I am trying to pick out some fragrances for my upcoming trip. So if you are interested in helping me, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, if you are new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and sometimes we spill a little tea from here and there. So if you're interested, come on, join the family. What you waiting on? Subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Hey, and if you are already a part of this beautiful village, this family, hi, my sisters, brothers, cousins, aunties, grandma, whatever you want to be a part in this family, that's what you are. But hey, I'm your sis, okay? I am your sis. Not your auntie yet. You know, maybe. Oh. We not gonna go there. Okay, let's get into it. Hey, family, I need your help, okay? I am going on a trip to a place. It's gonna be warm. It's a very much a chill trip. I'm excited, right? I don't know if there are any parents out there, honey. If there are, sometimes you just need a getaway, a quick getaway. And so that is what your sis is doing, just a quick getaway. And your sis is upstairs thinking, what am I going to bring with me? And I have said to myself, I am going to start taking travel size fragrances with me. I don't want to take my full bottles because I just don't know. Sometimes, you know, it might bust, it might break. I just don't want to take my full-size bottles anymore. So I'm going to try to stick with travel-size fragrances, okay? So I have quite a few travel-size. And I want to get your thoughts, okay? It's a little bit different, okay? Because your sis really needs your help. So if you comment down below, pick out maybe your top 2 fragrances that I might show you all that you're like, yes, sis, pack this up, okay? So I'm going to warmer climates, chill vibes, very trendy vibes, okay? I won't tell you exactly where I'm going, okay? Because this is going to go out before I go. So, we don't need no Chuckies in the life. We don't need nobody trying to come and get your sis, okay? If y'all understand, cool. If you don't, cool. But I am going and I just need your help, okay? So how we're going to do this, again, comment down below. Tell me maybe 2-3 fragrances that you're like, sis, hot climates, the vibe, good vibe, take these. Okay. First up, I have Dolce and Gabbana, okay? And this is Lily. This is an eau de toilette, but this is what it looks like, okay? All right. Eau de toilette, to me, and we might put notes on here so you can see. Okay. This gives me definitely very floral, light. This is like a pretty girl vibe, okay? This would work good in some hot climate, but I don't know if this, I don't know. It's a floral vibe. So if you think like hot climate, very trendy vibe, somewhere where it's like a lot of music and just fun, okay? If you think your sis should take this, let me know. I don't know. Okay. Moving on. Okay. Y'all gonna decide. Okay. This is a little different. Versace Dillon Blue. Dillon Turquoise. Sorry, not Dillon Blue, but Dillon Turquoise, okay? So this to me gives me very lemon, like very watery, aquatic, very lemon, juicy. This might, I don't know, what y'all think? Lemon, juicy, heat, fun vibes. You think I should take this? Let me know in the comments. Okay, come on, fragrant community, let me know. All right. That's a possibility. Okay. Next up, I have Valentino Voce Viva. Okay. Do you have this? Is this your vibe? This is such a cute, look at this packaging. So cute. Very trendy. I mean, the packaging gives me vibes of where we're going. Okay, let's see. Ooh, okay, this is sexy. Okay. This is very sexy. It does give me a little fruity, a little creamy. Ooh, this is sexy. This is a sexy one. Okay, we're going to put the notes. We're going to put the notes somewhere. Okay, so you all can think about it. Let me know. I'm going to put the notes up. Ooh, this is sexy. This is a fruity sexy. Oh, I think I would turn heads with this one. Do I need to turn heads? Okay. Moving on. Let me know. I have another Valentina Born in Roma. Oh, this is Coral Fantasy. Okay. Do some of you all have this? This was, oh, look at the packaging. Okay. Same packaging. Now, this is a newer flanker of the Valentino Born in Roma flankers, okay? Okay. This gives me a little peachy vibe. Okay. This is still a fruity, but this doesn't give me sexy. This is good. Doesn't give me sexy. It doesn't pull me to Donna Born in Roma. It doesn't pull me to the pink one. So the pink bottle, if you know that one, that gives me sexy. This doesn't give me sexy, but this is definitely gives me like a peach or, yeah, like a peachy, creamy, peachy, fruity vibe. Okay. I don't know. Okay. Let me know. And I don't know. And you know what? I don't know if I liked Coral Fantasy, but when I just smelled it, I don't know. I might want to test it out to see if I want a full bottle of this. I was on the fence. I don't think I wanted a full bottle, but okay. Let's see. This is Vicktor and Rolf BonBon. Okay. I don't know. What y'all think? This might be a little heavy. Pretty packaging as far as like, I love the kind of the ombre look. I love that. Let's see. Okay. This might be a little bit heavy, but we do plan on going to dinner. So this could be a dinner vibe. Do like get the caramel. I definitely get the gourmand scent in it. It's pretty. Ooh, this might be a good dinner. Ooh, okay, let me know what you think. Let me know. This might be a good dinner one. This is a sexy. If you are a gourmand lover, you would love this. This would be your flavor. Okay, let me know. Then I have Dolce Gabbana light blue. This is the intense version though. Look at how much, I know. I do love this, okay? Because it does still give me the like the watery or aquatic vibes. But it gives me a deeper vibe. It still gives me like, I smell like a lemon in it. Gives me a watery kind of, but we're not going to a beach. Okay? It's fun vibes. You might be able to guess where we go. But fun vibes, not a beach. But okay, this might be a good like up and go and viewing the scenery and maybe do a little shopping, enjoying the experience. Okay, all right, let me know. Would you take this on a trip? Would you take that? Let me know. Give me your thoughts. Let your sis know. Oh, let your sis know. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, next up, I have Floral Street, Arizona Bloom. Have you all heard of this? I believe this is a clean brand perfume. I believe. Let me see. Okay. This gives me a floral, but it also gives me this like vanilla in it. Oh my. Y'all see my eyes? Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. This is like a floral vanilla. It gives me, I can do like, this can be a day, but this can also turn into a night depending on like what vibes we're going for. Oh, this might be on my list.
You just made the list.
Okay, let me know. No. Okay, then I have Angel Nova. Okay, I've talked about her before. I call her Baby Delina. Have you ever heard of Delina? I feel like she the baby. She the little sister of Delina. Oh my gosh. See why I need y'all help? This is so hard. Y'all see these notes? What your sis gonna do? What am I wearing? Tell me. Hook me up, please. Ooh. Oh. But okay. So this is Delina's sister, but she the fun sister. She the get drunk in the hookah sister. Yeah, she the. This might be. Do y'all have this? This might be. Okay, let me know. All right, let's do two more. I think I have a whole bunch of them in here. So let's do two more. I've talked about this one before. This is the Escada. This is Sexy Graffiti. I have a big bottle of this. This is a heart. This is my heart, honey. Y'all see, this is why I got the bigger bottle. I only got a little bit left, so maybe I shouldn't take it because I only got a little bit left. But this gives me if we were staying in the room. We were staying in the room, chilling. I don't know if it's gonna be that type of vibe. We gonna be out. I don't know, but what y'all think? I don't know. But this gives me chill, bubble bath, Netflix chill. We not gonna have no Netflix, and we not chilling. Nah, this is girl. This is bada. Okay. I don't know. Okay. This is so hard. Okay. Let me see. Okay. This is Juliette Has a Gun. This is Magnolia Bliss. Okay. when I first smelled it, this is so good. Actually, I do want a bigger bottle of this. This is on my list to get. I would love a bigger bottle of this. This gives me very much like fruits. I don't know if it's this vibe, y'all. This kind of gives me Sunday girl, like church girl, like pretty church girl, maybe pretty event girl. I don't know, this will give me vacation fun vibes. Party.
With the wretched to have big fun.
I don't know what y'all think. Okay. I don't know. Okay. Let me do one more. Classic. This is Giorgio Armani. This is the original. I think these are the original. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, I don't know, but I don't know if this is too sticky for like hot. But this definitely can do dinner. Ooh, okay. This definitely gives me some like caramel, like gourmand, very creamy. I don't know if this would be too heavy, but I mean, it also has like a feminine touch. It gives me a little like dab of like, you know, girly girl, but like a gourmand girly girl. Oh, I might want to be her in the morning. Like if we were to do a brunch, this might be a good old brunch girl. I don't know. Okay. Let me know your thoughts, okay? Comment down below. I'm going to put all the fragrances in the description box where we just went over, okay? Give me one or two fragrances that you're like, you must take this on your trip. You know what I'm saying? Even if you like see the notes, you know, and you're like, you know what? I think this will be good for you, sis. Okay, hook your sister up. Okay, don't leave me hanging. Now, don't leave me hanging. Hook me up, okay? So let me know your thoughts, okay? Would love to hear it. Again, if you're like, oh, I gotta go back, or you missed some, like look in the description box. I've listed them there. Put the notes up. Or even if maybe there's a recommendation. I'm all ears. Maybe there's a recommendation. You're like, sis, you didn't tap on nothing that I would bring to know potty, and hot. You didn't tap on nothing on this list for a trip I would go on. Well, put it in the comments, okay? Just put it in the comments, okay? Let me know what I need to get or bring. Because I might be able to, if I don't have the travel size, honey, I'll just go give me a little $25, $20 travel size of your recommendation. I'm all ears. Let me know what I need to go and get. Okay? But that is all. Are you all taking your full bottles or a travel size with you? Because I'm all about the travel size. What are your thoughts on that? Let me know. Thank you in advance for helping your sis out, okay? Make sure you comment, like, give me the thumbs up, comment down below if you like the vibes. Hey, we have fun around here. We laugh. That is the vibes, okay? That's what we do around here. Welcome. Okay. All right, family. Until next time, you know I'm crazy. Until next time, I will see you all soon. Bye, family.